to this video. Today we will be learning about the volcanic rim in Hawaii and what makes it special. Volcanic rim in Hawaii is one of the most amazing experiences you can have. There is no direct connection from Honolulu Airport to Volcano. However, you can fly to Hilo and then take the bus to Volcano. Alternatively, you can fly to Kona and take the walk to Ellison Onizuka Kona International Airport at Keyhole, which will leave you at the bus to Bayfront Park and ride where you can take a bus to see the volcano. Short history of volcanic rim of Hawaii. The 15 volcanoes that make up the 8 principal islands of Hawaii are the youngest in a chain of more than 129 volcanoes that stretch 5,800 kilometers across the North Pacific Ocean, called the Hawaiian Emperor Seamount Chain. The Hawaiian Islands undergo a systematic pattern of the submarine and subaerial growth that is followed by erosion. An island stage of development reflects its distance from the Hawaii hotspot. Historically, it is the most active of the 5 volcanoes that together form Hawaii Island. Kilauea is also one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, and the most recent and currently ongoing eruption began on September 29, 2021, when several vents began to erupt lava within a pit crater in the volcano's summit caldera. The Volcano House provides lodging within the park, while additional housing options are available in the nearby Volcano Village. Visitors associated with the military can find lodging at the Kilauea Military Camp. The park provides a number of hiking trails, points of interest, and guided ranger programs. Kilauea, also called Mount Kilauea, the world's most active volcanic mass, located on the southeastern part of the island of Hawaii, Hawaii State, U.S. The central feature of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. Here are some fun facts. The world's largest volcano at 13,000 feet above sea level is Mauna Loa, and it's located in Hawaii. Mauna Loa has been active for nearly 700,000 years. If part of Mauna Loa weren't underwater, it would be higher than Mount Everest. Kilauea has seen so much volcanic activity that it has covered almost 90% of its surface in lava flows within the last 1,000 years. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share as it helps me create more videos like this. Thank you for watching.